Well, hello. So I managed to clean up my computer desk pretty good. Um, yeah, there's a big mess behind me, but whatever. I'll take that later on. So yeah, back here to the right, I have a monitor, a small drawer that is actually connected to that spare computer that I have. It's my test computer running like Linux and stuff. And right there is my sort of main computer, the latest edition. And behind there we got the big speaker behind the monitor. Um, yeah, and then we got the three monitors. They are 27-inch each, 2560 by 1440 resolution, and they are identical monitors. And then of course that's the second speaker behind there. And I have a surround sound system, so yeah, the center monitor are standing on the center speakers. And the annoying part with the monitors is that you see they aren't really level. So I might just build some stuff for the monitors so they can go up a little bit. It's like half an inch or whatever. So yeah, webcam on the center monitor, and my Blue Yeti microphone over there, and my keyboard and mouse. Nothing special about it. And let's see if we can see it behind there. You see that little box over there? That's actually an HDMI switch. You can have 5 inputs and 1 output, and it goes to a capture card on my main computer, the Elgato Game Capture 4K 60 Mark II, whatever it's called. So I can actually switch between different computers. Yeah, so this is kind of then my secondary or working area. Got an old workstation laptop from HP. Right now it's running Linux. And usually I wanted to record some stuff. It has a display port on the left side, but for some reason it doesn't work with Linux. So I don't get any output from that. And I also have the network. It's a USB 3 adapter to network card. It's a 2.5 gigabit, but for some reason I never get the full speed on Linux. Doesn't matter if I use regular gigabit or whatever. I just get like 100 megabit. And then behind there, the black thing is my surround sound amplifier or receiver. And yeah, some other stuff. And that white box there is actually my secondary internet. It's basically just a converter. It's connected to the cable TV network. I have a primary internet, but that's in the hallway. It's a fiber connection. Yeah, and the printer, then my Samsung tablet with the sort of an arm, and then the remote for the amplifier. So yeah, this is kind of my office, and I still have a bunch of stuff on the floor. You see, it's kind of dirty, but from different builds and whatever. I still have a DVD reader and burner. Sometimes I actually need it. And it's connected with USB. So yeah, this is kind of my office right now. So I finally cleaned it up a little bit. I removed a bunch of cables. For example, you see the power bar behind there. It used to be full with stuff, but I actually removed a lot of stuff. But yeah, this is kind of my office, and the monitors take up most of the desk. The desk is almost 2 meters wide. It's 80 centimeter deep, and I think it's 160 wide or 180 wide, something. So yeah, that monitor is basically at the edge of the desk. Same thing with this one, it's right at the edge. So yeah, and I also have a USB 3 hub there. So I can easily, for stuff external, connect to. And then I got some lights on my speakers. Normally I don't have these gray ones on. I just have them on right now because I'm recording, but normally it's just the lights on the speakers on, because I like to have it somewhat dark. But yeah, I think I managed to clean most things up. And yeah, so let's see if I go back here. We have my messy network at the moment. So I have the pfSense box in a different room, and it comes into this small switch, and then the yellow cable goes to the Wi-Fi box over here, and yeah, and then one of the white cables go to this box, the white box, and that's the 10 gigabit switch, and it's a Ubiquiti. And yeah, I have an old notebook here, and Ubiquiti have a software called Unify Control Center, and you can install it on a Linux server, and that's what I did. So I can actually manage that switch through the control center, the ports and stuff, and see what's connected or whatever. So yeah, a little bit messy. Yeah, and here we have a bunch of cables I removed and stuff. So my little office area. Yeah, that's that. Catch you later.